Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll guide you through every fascinating step of how industrial sensors are made, from raw materials to precision instruments used in the world's smartest systems.
These pipes match the manifest?
Yes, quantities and specs line up.
Good. Note any damage here.
Noted. All clear.
Automated PCB machines place tiny components with robotic precision. The circuit design ensures signals are processed accurately at high speeds. Each component is vital for maintaining signal integrity. Throughput on line 2 is dropping. Acknowledged. Initiating override.
Confirmed. Metrics stabilizing.
Micron-level precision ensures reliable measurements. Every unit undergoes rigorous inspection.
Okay, initiate the firmware upload.
Uploading now, it's at 40%.
Good. Once it's done, let's calibrate the sensitivity.
Upload complete, target is 5.
Perfect. That's optimal.
We test for reliability in real-world environments. Shock and vibration tests ensure durability. Vibration tests simulate years of wear in minutes. Shock tests confirm resilience against impacts. Rigorous testing guarantees reliable performance.
Coming through, clear the path. Got it, loading the next pallet. This one's heavy, watch your back. Pallet secured, moving to truck. All clear, good to go. And that's how industrial sensors are made, powering automation, safety, and smart industries worldwide. And that's how industrial sensors are made, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more factory deep dives and technology tours.